Hello friends! Welcome back to our Money Minds channel dedicated to personal savings. Today, we're going to talk about a simple but super effective method for managing your money without dying in the attempt, the 50-30-20 method. If you've ever wondered how to distribute your salary wisely without feeling like you're depriving yourself of everything, this system is for you. I'm Ana Alvarez, and I'm here to revolutionize your relationship with money. This method was popularized by Senator and financial expert Elizabeth Warren, and is based on dividing our income into three broad categories. 50% for essential expenses. This includes things like rent, food, electricity, water, transportation, and any other expenses you can't avoid. 30% for personal and leisure expenses. Because yes, it's also important to enjoy life. This includes coffee with friends, dinners out, movies, streaming subscriptions. In short, those little pleasures that make work meaningful. 20% for savings and investments. This is the key to securing your future. Whether you're building an emergency fund, saving for a big goal, or starting to invest, this 20% is what will boost your financial stability. Okay, this all sounds great in theory, but how does it apply in practice? Let me explain it in 3 steps. 1. Calculate your net monthly income. If you earn $1,500, for example, you already know that. $750 will go toward your essential expenses. $450 for leisure and personal expenses. $300 directly for savings and investments. 2. Review your current expenses. You may discover that you're spending more than 50% on essentials, or that leisure time is taking up more than you thought. The important thing here is to adjust. 3. Automate your savings. The best thing you can do is schedule an automatic transfer to your savings account so that you don't spend that 20% of your savings. This way, you can ensure you stick to your plan without excuses. Why is this method so recommended? Here are some benefits. Simplicity. You don't need complicated Excel spreadsheets. Just divide your money into these 3 categories. Balance. It's not just about saving or just spending, but about finding a middle ground. Financial security. By setting aside 20% for savings and investments, you'll be creating a financial cushion that will give you peace of mind in the future. As you can see, saving doesn't have to be difficult or painful. You don't have to do it perfectly from the start. The important thing is to take the first step. In the next videos, we'll review different personal savings methods. Now tell me, how do you distribute your salary? Would you like to try this system? Let me know in the comments. Share this video with someone who needs to organize their finances, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss any financial advice. See you in the next video.